Want to be the person everyone asks, "How did you do it?" during the 2024 recession? Stick with me. Investing in a recession? It's not as scary as it sounds. Here are 7 recession-proof hacks to become the Warren Buffett of your block. Choose your own adventure. But before we start the adventure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting financial adventures. Number 1. Embrace your financial lifeline, cash. Learn from Warren Buffett. Keep cash for opportunities. Like Warren Buffett, keep a significant portion of your assets in cash. In uncertain times, cash is king. It gives you the flexibility to seize opportunities when others are scrambling. Trim unnecessary spending. Every dollar saved counts. In the face of economic uncertainty, review your spending habits. Cut down on unnecessary expenses. Every dollar saved acts as a buffer during tough times. Number 2. Invest smart. Liquid businesses win. Choose businesses with strong financial foundations. Companies like Apple and Microsoft, with substantial cash reserves, tend to navigate economic downturns more effectively. Number 3. Recession. Not a setback, but an opportunity. Recessions are breeding grounds for innovation and success. Take WhatsApp and Uber, both born during the 2008 crisis and now worth billions. Think outside the box and identify opportunities to start your own business or advance your career during this time. Number 4. Patience pays. Don't cash out. Patience is key during bear markets. Resist the urge to sell off investments in panic. The stock market has historically recovered from major crises. Remember, long-term investing pays off. Number 5. Gig economy. A resilient income source. Recessions can impact traditional jobs, but the gig economy thrives. Leverage platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to offer your skills and services as a writer, designer, developer, or in other areas. This provides income diversification and flexibility. Number 6. Debt-free zone. Your key to stability. Avoid debt if you haven't prepared for a recession. High interest rates during economic downturns can make debt repayment challenging. Focus on building a financial safety net instead of accumulating debt. Number 7. Precious metal power. Consider investing in gold and silver. These metals tend to hold their value during recessions, offering a safe haven for your wealth. You can invest directly in physical gold, silver, or through ETFs and mining company stocks. By following these tips, you can not only survive but thrive during a recession. Remember, knowledge is power, and preparing now can make a significant difference in your financial future. Subscribe for more weekly investment tips, leave a comment below, and happy investing. Thanks for watching.